Millionaires, have you ever pondered what the best investment is? Spoiler alert, it's not in stocks or real estate, but in you. Imagine waking up each day feeling inspired, equipped, and ready to tackle the world. I remember a time not too long ago when I was stuck in a rut, juggling work and personal responsibilities, feeling like there was no way out. One day, I stumbled upon a book that spoke about the importance of investing in oneself. That moment was a game changer. It was the first step on a journey that transformed my life. Investing in myself didn't just change my career, it revolutionized every aspect of my existence. Stay with me through this video because today on Wondrous Millionaires, we are diving deep into 10 real ways to invest in yourself, methods that can set you on a path to becoming a better version of yourself. These aren't just theories, they're actionable steps with real-world examples, especially from right here in India. Trust me, by the end, you'll be eager to start this life-changing journey. Ready to get started? Let's dive in. Number 1. Understanding self-investment. Investing in oneself is arguably the most rewarding investment you can make. Unlike financial assets that fluctuate with market trends, personal growth yields consistent returns throughout your life. It's about developing your skills, nurturing your well-being, and enhancing your overall quality of life. But why is self-investment so critical, especially today? In a world that's constantly evolving, staying stagnant is not an option. Personal growth equips you with the skills and knowledge to adapt to changes and seize new opportunities. For instance, think about the rapid technological advancements. If you don't invest in learning new skills, you might find yourself obsolete in your career. To make a long story short, self-investment is your key to unlocking a future of possibilities. In ancient India, self-improvement was a revered practice, seen as a path to enlightenment. Today, it's equally vital, whether you're aiming for personal fulfillment or professional success. Number 2. Continuous learning and education. Ever wondered why education never truly ends? That's because continuous learning is the cornerstone of personal development. It's not just about earning degrees, it's about keeping your mind sharp and staying relevant in an ever-changing world. In India, platforms like NPTEL and Coursera offer a plethora of online courses that cater to diverse interests and career goals. Whether it's learning a new language or mastering data science, the resources are at your fingertips. Consider the story of Rajesh, a mid-career professional who pivoted into a lucrative tech role by leveraging online courses. His journey underscores the power of continuous learning. So, what's stopping you from embarking on your own educational journey? The world is full of knowledge waiting to be explored. Number 3. Building a healthy lifestyle. Did you know your health is your greatest wealth? A healthy lifestyle is not just about living longer, it's about living better. Adopting healthy habits can drastically improve your physical and mental well-being, setting a solid foundation for personal and professional success. In India, we have a rich tradition of wellness practices like yoga and Ayurveda that promote holistic health. Take Ritu, for example, who turned her life around by incorporating daily yoga sessions and a balanced diet into her routine. Her transformation is a testament to the profound impact of a healthy lifestyle. So, are you ready to prioritize your health? Remember, it's an investment that pays off in every aspect of your life. Number 4. Developing financial literacy. Want to master the art of money management? Financial literacy is crucial for navigating today's complex financial landscape. It involves understanding how to manage your money, invest wisely, and plan for the future. In India, financial literacy programs are increasingly available, helping people of all backgrounds understand the nuances of personal finance. Consider Pooja, who attended a financial literacy workshop and learned to budget effectively, save for her goals, and even start investing. Her newfound knowledge empowered her to take control of her finances. To make a long story short, financial literacy is your ticket to financial freedom. Are you ready to start your journey towards mastering your finances? Number 5. Cultivating emotional intelligence. How well do you understand your emotions? Emotional intelligence, EI, is the ability to recognize, understand, and manage our own emotions and the emotions of others. High EI is linked to better relationships, career success, and overall happiness. In India, practices like mindfulness meditation can enhance emotional intelligence by helping you become more aware of your feelings and reactions. Take Ankit, who used mindfulness to improve his emotional regulation and interpersonal skills, leading to better relationships both at work and home. Ready to boost your emotional intelligence? Remember, it's an investment that enriches every facet of your life. Number 6. Expanding your network. Who you know can often be more important than what you know. Building a robust network of professional and personal connections can open doors to opportunities that you might not even know existed. In India, networking is a crucial part of career and business success. Whether it's through attending industry conferences or joining local business groups, the connections you make can be invaluable. Think about the story of Priya, who landed her dream job through a connection she made at a networking event. So, are you ready to expand your network? Remember, the right connections can propel you forward in ways you never imagined. Number 7. Prioritizing mental health. Are you taking care of your mental health? Mental well-being is as crucial as physical health, yet it's often overlooked. Prioritizing mental health can lead to a happier, more balanced life. In India, the stigma around mental health is slowly eroding, and practices like meditation, mindfulness, and even traditional therapies are gaining traction. Consider the case of Kavita, who was overwhelmed by the pressures of her high-stress job. She turned to mindfulness meditation and therapy, finding not only relief but also a new perspective on life. Investing in mental health is investing in your future. Whether it's through professional help or self-care practices, take that step towards better mental well-being today. Number 8. Setting and achieving goals. How often do you set and achieve your goals? Goal setting is a powerful process that helps you envision your ideal future and motivates you to turn your vision into reality. Using frameworks like SMART goals, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound, you can set clear objectives and create a roadmap to achieve them. Take the example of Ananya, who set a goal to launch her own startup. By breaking down her goals into manageable steps and consistently working towards them, she turned her dream into a thriving business. Ready to start setting your goals? Remember, each goal achieved brings you one step closer to the life you desire. Number 9. Enhancing personal skills. Are your personal skills up to par? Enhancing your soft skills, such as communication, time management, and critical thinking, is crucial for personal and professional success. In India, there are numerous workshops and training programs designed to help individuals develop these essential skills. For example, Rahul attended a public speaking course that dramatically improved his confidence and communication abilities, leading to better opportunities at work. Investing in your personal skills is a surefire way to enhance your career and personal life. Are you ready to hone your skills and unlock new possibilities? Number 10. Exploring creative outlets. How often do you tap into your creative side? Engaging in creative activities not only enriches your life but also enhances your problem-solving skills and reduces stress. India, with its rich tradition of arts and crafts, offers countless avenues for exploring creativity. From classical dance forms like Bharatanatyam to painting and writing, there's something for everyone. Consider the story of Meera, who found solace and a new sense of purpose through her passion for traditional Indian painting. Ready to unleash your creativity? Remember, a creative outlet can be a powerful tool for self-expression and personal growth. Now your awaited bonus point, number 11, investing in relationships. How strong are the relationships that support you? Building and nurturing relationships is an essential part of self-investment. Strong relationships provide emotional support, increase your sense of belonging, and can even open doors to new opportunities. In Indian culture, the importance of family and community is deeply ingrained. Take, for example, Suresh, who prioritized spending quality time with his family and friends. This investment in relationships not only brought him happiness but also created a strong support network that helped him through tough times. Are you ready to invest in your relationships? Remember, the people around you are one of your greatest assets. Now, take a moment to reflect on your own journey. Which area do you want to focus on first? Remember, investing in yourself is the best decision you can make for your future. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Wondrous Millionaires. We have many more insightful topics lined up just for you. What steps will you take today to start investing in yourself? Share your thoughts in the comments below.